अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ऑनलाइन विद कंप्यूटर्स ग्रेड 7th. Now we are going to start chapter number 8, editing in MS Excel 2010. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to MS Excel 2010. First step is select cell, rows, columns. Select multiple range of cells, name a range, cut, copy, paste the cell contents, insert cells, rows, columns, adjust rows, column height, auto fill feature. Our first topic is how to select cells. There are 3 different ways by which we can change the or select the range of cells. Method 1 is click in the first cell of the range to be selected. Hold on Shift key and click the last cell until all the required cells are selected. Method 2. Place the cell pointer in the first cell of the range to be selected. Drag the mouse diagonally until all the required cells are selected. Last method is click in the first cell of the range to be selected. Hold on the Shift key and using the down arrow key move the lower last cell in the range of cell to be selected. How to select multiple ranges simultaneously? To select multiple ranges simultaneously, follow the given step. Select the first range of cells and then hold on Control key and select the next range of cells. Continue holding down the Control key and select an other range of cell. When you finish, release the Control key. How to select a range that is out of view? To select a range that is out of view, we use a method known as extend indicator. In this way, click in the first cell of the range to be selected. Press F8. The status bar will show the extend indicator. Click in the lower left cell of the range until all the required cells are selected. You will see that all the cells have been selected. To turn off the extend indicator, again press F8 button or escape key. How to select an entire row? To select an entire row, follow the given step. First step is click in the row heading number at the left edge of the worksheet. Press Shift plus spacebar to select the entire row which is active, and after this to select several adjacent rows. Drag the mouse over the row header to select non-adjacent row. Press Ctrl key as you click each row. Means you can select rows which you want to select. How to select an entire column? To select an entire column, click the column heading letter at the top edge of the worksheet like this. Select from the top. Press Ctrl plus spacebar and the active column gets selected like this. To select the entire worksheet, press the Ctrl plus A button. How to name a range? To name a range, follow the given step. Select the cell or range whose name you want to change. Click Formula tab on the ribbon. Click Define Name from Define Name group. After this box appears on your computer screen. Tap the name and then click OK button. The name changes according to your selection. These are the objectives related to our this lecture.